We're going hands-on with Apple's Pro Display XDR. So here it is, we have it. It is in the studio. This is Apple's brand new Pro Display XDR that was developed alongside the brand new Tower Mac Pro. So let's go ahead, jump into it. I am really excited. I've been waiting this. We got our Mac Pro early and been waiting for this display to arrive. So inside the Box Accessory, we have their polishing cloth. It's dual layer. It's very soft. You especially need it for the nano coated matte version. We have a Thunderbolt 3 cable as well as the power cable. So really everything that you need in the box. The power cable and Thunderbolt 3 cable are very nice. Similar to the power cable and the Lightning to USB-C cable we saw with the Mac Pro, it's super flexible and has a really nice thick nylon braided design to it. I really wish Apple would sell these standalone because it's probably the nicest looking, nicest feeling Thunderbolt 3 cable that I've come across. Turning around the Pro Display XDR, we see a very familiar pattern. It is the same 3D lattice pattern that we saw on the Mac Pro. Not only does it look great, but it's going to allow for a lot of airflow and cooling on this display, especially as hot and as bright as this thing can get. Alongside the power, you're going to have one Thunderbolt 3 and 3 USB-C ports on the back of that monitor for expansion other I/O. It is a minor bummer that we didn't get a second Thunderbolt 3 for daisy chaining additional devices, but there are 4 on the Mac Pro itself, so we don't really need too many here on the display. Just would have been a nice option. A few quick stats on the display. It is a 6K display with 32-inch diagonal measurement, which is a 6016 by 3384 pixel resolution at an aspect ratio of 16:9. It has a brightness of 1000 nits, though it peaks at 1600 nits depending on the content, and it has a 1,000,000:1 contrast ratio. It does support Apple technologies like True Tone and Night Shift, so you can see Night Shift here, enable this within system preferences. You can have it automated on your schedule or turning on and off at sunrise and sunset. It makes it a little bit easier on your eyes, as well as True Tone, which adjusts the ambient temperature, the white balance of the display to the room that you're in. It basically matches the lighting so it isn't as harsh on your eyes. As we mentioned, this thing is extremely bright, up to that 1600 peak brightness, which is great for HDR content. That's kind of where Apple got that extreme high definition range with that XDR moniker. And we've been watching just a little bit of content, so whether you're creating HDR content or watching HDR content, it looks amazing. Not only does it support just HDR10, but it also supports Dolby Vision, which is a better version of HDR, and hybrid log gamma playback support as well. Like many displays, the Pro Display XDR works in both landscape and portrait orientations, but as a nice fun fact and tie-in for using it on a Mac is the display can actually automatically detect when it changes those orientations. So whether you have it on a stand or you're simply rotating it yourself, whenever it does rotate, the Mac will automatically adjust and switch the orientation of your display. Apple's Pro Display XDR is available now for $5,000. If you want the nano textured matte finish glass, that's going to run you an extra $1,000, and if you want to add the stand onto it, that is another $1,000 on top of that. Let me know what you guys think and reach out to me on Twitter at Andrew_OSU.
Hey everyone, did you guys like that video? Be sure to click on that like button so we can create content that we know that you guys want to see. And follow AppleInsider on all social media channels. If you want the best prices on any Apple gear, check out the AppleInsider price guide that is updated daily. And until next time, we'll see you later.